In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make OneNote fit on a PDF. This is a useful technique if you want your notes to look clean, properly aligned, and ready for sharing or printing without any awkward cutoffs or extra spacing. To begin, open your OneNote notebook and navigate to the page you want to export as a PDF. If you notice that your content looks too wide or doesn't quite fit within a standard page layout, that's completely fine. We're going to adjust everything so it fits perfectly. Start by heading to the top of your screen and clicking on the View tab. From there, look for the paper size or page setup option, depending on the version of OneNote you're using. Once you click it, a panel will appear on the right-hand side. This is where you can control how your page is structured. Inside this panel, you'll be able to choose a standard paper size. Options like letter, A4, or legal are commonly used, so select the one that matches your needs. If you prefer more control, you can manually enter a custom width and height. This is especially helpful if you want your PDF to follow a specific format or fit a unique layout. After setting your paper size, take a moment to review your page. Scroll through your notes and check that everything stays within the visible boundaries. If anything extends beyond the margins, adjust it by resizing images, repositioning text, or organizing your content more tightly. Keeping everything within the set area ensures your final PDF will look neat and complete. Once your layout looks just right, move to the next step by clicking on File. From there, select the Export option. You'll then be asked to choose a file format. Make sure to select PDF so your document is saved in the correct format. Finally, click Export, choose where you want to save your file, and confirm your selection. In just a few moments, your OneNote page will be converted into a properly formatted PDF that fits perfectly on the page. Taking a little time to adjust your layout before exporting can make a big difference in how professional your final document appears. It helps ensure that everything is clearly visible and easy to read. And that's it. You now know how to make OneNote fit on a PDF. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.